welcome back to a very chaotic vlog. Today we're playing a game that I like to call What Does Natalie Not Have to Do Today? Which is everything. I know I say this a lot, but I have a million and one things to get done today. I mentioned on another vlog that one of my New Year's resolutions was to pack earlier than the day before. And let's just say that tomorrow I am leaving to my Bachelorette weekend. The day is finally here. We are going to Texas, which I am so excited for. However, I have left a lot for last minute and I regret every decision I've made. I do have to say, April has been the most chaotic and most busy month for me. All blessings, of course, but honestly, I feel like I haven't had any time to breathe, to sit down, to relax. I asked my manager for us not to have not one partnership in May, and unfortunately, some projects were moved to May because of delays and stuff, so I still have to work in May. But today is April 26th, which means we are 33 days away until we leave to Dominican Republic. And I have a stomach ache just thinking about it. I'm so anxious, I'm so excited at the same time, but yes, it's just a million and one things going on in my head. I've been needing to take melatonin every single night because I just cannot shut my mind at night. Like, I just don't sleep. But yeah, I'm going to start off with my nails first and then chat with you guys as to where I'm at mentally, emotionally, and all of it. I'm just going to prep my nails. I removed some stick-on nails that I had and this one doesn't want to come off, so I'm going to soak them first. That way I don't damage them more, and file them and then move on to my next project so that I can do my manicure at the end of the day. But yeah, the apartment is a hot mess. There is just stuff everywhere, boxes everywhere. The office, I mentioned in my last cleaning video that I wanted to share with you guys, like my packages and all of that. The office is like a hurricane went through it, to be honest. Maybe you can see what I'm doing better there. Yeah, I really wanted to start vlogging earlier for my batch just to share with you guys, you know, the process and the things that I've been doing and the stuff that I've gathered and my outfits and all of that. Like, I wanted to share everything as I was getting them, but because I had so much going on, I couldn't pull the camera and just start vlogging. But I'm going to be doing that today as I pack. I still have not packed. I'm going to be showing you everything I got for the girls, the decorations that I've gathered. My best friend is the one that's like hosting the Bachelorette with my bridesmaids, of course, but she's the one like truly immersed in the planning and decorations and all of that, which I'll share with you guys in another vlog. But I did get a few things from Zazzle, which I'll share with you guys, as well as their goodie bags, some of the things that I've gathered. I'll also share my outfits, which I'm really excited about. I'm also doing a few DIY projects on my Cricut today, which are the sweatshirts. I am going to be writing their last name on it and ironing it on. What else? I also need to write their thank you cards. I need to write an actual checklist, to-do list, because I have it on my phone, but if I see it physically, I feel like it'll help me better. But yeah, that's technically where I'm at. Just, you know, mentally all over the place, you know? I have to give my nails a break after this Bachelorette trip because I messed them up for the bridal shower. All right, never mind. I'm actually going to finish getting my nails done because I was thinking about the fact that I want to film some things and they include my nails, so might as well have them done. I have these three options that I'm considering. Let me show you. These two are from Kiss, and then this one is from Shein. All right, these are the ones that I ended up selecting. All French tip, and then this one with the bling on the ring finger.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid.
This is how they turned out. Definitely not the shape I usually go for, and I'm not wearing my ring, but it's giving batch. Again, this is the one that I ended up using, and I did cut them down because I cannot function with long nails, even these. Okay, so let's get started with the DIY. Like I mentioned, I started a few last night just testing it out, but I got the girls these sweatshirts from H&M. I'll link them down below for you guys. I got it all in neutral and then in white for me. This is the design that I went with, their last name, first name, and then a little cowboy hat. So I'm gonna show you how I do these three as well as mine. I am using the Smart Iron-On Heat Transfer Vinyl for the sweatshirt in white, and then for me, I'll use it in black. I actually have one in glitter, which I could maybe do, but I think it'll be too much. I think I'll just stick to black. But I also got this one, which is cheaper than the Smart Iron-On. It's the Everyday Iron-On in white, in case you want like an alternative. However, I would recommend to use the Cricut brand because I feel like it's the most long-lasting on the sweatshirt. This is what mine looks like. I also made it in white because I got one of these sweatshirts as well, which I use later on. But for the Bachelorette weekend, I'm going to use the white one. So yeah, this is everything that I'm using. I have the cutter, the vinyls I already cut last night with their names. I just have to tweet it out. And then I have to print mine in the black one, which looks navy blue, but it's black.
Doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't. And I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I sucked with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I
Just finished all of them now. So here are the 6 and mine. Obsessed. So this is everything I'm gifting the girls, I think, because honestly I have way too many boxes that I still need to go through them in case I miss anything. So I'm going to double check before I close my luggage, but these little mini sets from Philosophy are definitely a must. I think these would be great for a bridesmaid's proposal box for the morning day of the wedding or bachelorette like I'm doing. It's only $35 for all of these products, which I love them all, specifically this cleanser. And then I also got the one-step facial cleanser cloths, which will come in clutch after our nights out. I also got these goodies from L'Oreal. They sent 3 different shades of their lipstick. This is a beautiful nude. And then there's a red and I think like a pinky color. And of course I had to get the telescopic lift, which is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. My best friend is actually the one doing the emergency kits, but I told her that I already had like a huge pack for the wedding. So I added 7 of these to include in that little baggie. I also got these Fresh Mints Breath Freshener. From Zazzle, I got these personalized shot glasses for each of them, including myself. I also got these tote bags personalized for everyone, which actually fit so much inside. This is from Zazzle, by the way. And then from Lulus, we have some amazing goodies. So we're having a Glitz and Glam night, so I decided to gift the girls these beautiful glitzy clutches. They could also wear it at the wedding or just whenever they want. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you know that my favorite clutches are from Lulus. They honestly have the most beautiful, unique clutches. Like, look at the beading detail. But I'm going to link all of these down below for you guys. We're having a boat day, so I decided to gift the girls the black bathing suit. Everyone's going to be in black, I'm going to be in white, and everyone chose the bathing suits of their choice in black and their size. And then these are some more random goodies. I got these from Amazon. They're like makeup remover microfiber cloths. I know that I'm giving them already 2 different makeup removers, but they can use this whenever they want. From Zazzle, I also made these thank you hang tags to go with their little bag. Also from Amazon, I got these hair clips, and then from Primark, which I made a super random last minute stop, I found these goodies, starting with these sunglasses. It was so hard to actually find sunglasses that they can use after the Bachelorette, and I think these would be perfect. And then I got myself these white ones and the most perfect hat, which honestly is so in brand, and it goes, I think, perfectly with their sweatshirt. But yeah, like, what are the odds that you find Austin, Texas caps? And these were only $5.50. How crazy. So yeah, this is everything I have so far, and they're personalized sweatshirts. There's also a few other things that are going to be added that Igvani is handling. We have some PJs and a few other goodies that are going to be gifted, and I'll share it all on the Bachelorette vlog.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me.
A few hours later, I took a shower, washed my hair, and I'm still packing. So let me show you guys my outfits now and everything that I'm bringing. So for the first night, we're doing a cowboy theme. The girls are wearing black, I'm wearing white. I decided to wear this pearl set from Opali, and then these cowboy boots, and this glittery hat. For a bag, I honestly don't know, but I think I'm going to bring this one. I feel like it all looks super crazy, but I promise it looks better on. And then this dress is Nadine Marabi. I think I'm just going to bring it to wear it and take a picture and not do anything, because technically we only need 3 outfits. We also have this feathery dress, super cute and girly. The girls are wearing pink, so I wanted to wear a pop of color, and I got this pink little bag. And then these heels that I've been wanting to wear. And to accessorize it, I actually got these snap bracelets that have feathers so that I can put it at the end of these gloves. I don't know which gloves I'm going to wear. And then we also have a Glitz Glam night, so this is going to be my outfit. This is a see-through skirt with a feathery top, and this little Cult Gaia dupe from Amazon. And then this outfit is just in case outfit. We're also doing an activity one of the days, so I got myself this little beige set because I didn't want a white set. For the boat day, I'm going to be wearing this hat. I also have these shorts, sunglasses, and my bathing suit here. But yeah, I'm going to pack now. And we're ready to go.